You're now registered to the FUN-MOOC platform. You now have access to an exhaustive list of online courses. Click on the Course tab and the navigation menu. We have a huge variety of courses. You'll surely find one of your taste. You can look for a course in a number of ways. The search bar enables you to look for a course quite quickly with keywords. If you type in the word animals, you'll have a list of all the courses closely or remotely related to animals. You can also look up for a course by using the subject filter, which allows you to search courses related to a specific subject, such as health or management. You can filter courses of one or several specific institutions. There's also the possibility to filter courses according to their availability, upcoming courses, or those which are currently playing, and those still open for registration only. You can also look up for courses awarding a free certificate of completion or a verified certificate. You can also cross-reference your criteria. You can check off the following boxes: open for registration, health, and Institut Pasteur. Let's say a learner is looking for a course about artificial intelligence. He can either use the search bar or use the subject filters by checking off the following boxes: digital and technology. Nothing is as easy as registering and enrolling into a course. You'll need to click on the Enroll Now button of the course. Let's take the course L'intelligence artificielle pour tous, and let's try to figure out all the important information available. At the center of the page lies the course teaser. It is the best way to have a course overview. Move your mouse cursor a bit down and you'll find out the different course objectives, the prerequisite of a course before you register, and the team which will be with you in your online course journey. At the right of your screen, you'll find the course and enrollment schedules. Just be careful to register before the last date of registration. Move your cursor up back the video. You'll find an estimated time needed to follow the whole course. This estimated time is calculated by the number of hours you'll need to spend on this course on a weekly basis. Here, the estimated time is 2.5 hours per week. By moving your cursor down past the video, you'll find the course syllabus, which will give you a quick glance at the main topics that will be addressed in the course. To register, click on the Enroll Now button on the right of your screen. Please note that you must be logged in to the FUN-MOOC platform to register to any course. Once you've registered, you will have to come back to the course presentation page on your course start date. Then you'll have to click on the Access the Course button. This is the course information page. You'll find all the news and information about the different updates there. To have access to the course content, click on the Course button. Here you have a course content section by section. You can watch videos and also read the PDFs, sometimes downloadable, which are quite useful materials when you are offline. You will have to fill in the first questionnaire by clicking on the Start Questionnaire section. This questionnaire allows you to understand your expectations for the specific course. And that's it. Don't be afraid to keep discovering new courses. Keep learning, keep progressing, and keep succeeding.